With Christmas just days away, if you haven't decided what to serve, it's time to get serious. My suggestion, if you want to go all out, serve beef tenderloin. It's easy, it'll melt in your mouth, and it goes with anything from your favorite potato casserole to an oversized pan of lasagna. This is a whole beef tenderloin. You can buy it like this, which is considered trimmed. It's a little bit more expensive than buying it untrimmed, but this way, there's no waste. Now, depending on how many people you're expecting, you can roast the whole thing or use half and freeze the rest like we're doing today. Either way, we season it with some kosher salt, garlic powder, and freshly ground pepper, and sear it in a skillet or a grill pan to seal in the juices before finishing it off in the oven. And while it roasts, we'll whip up a flavor-packed mushroom sauce to serve over it. And when you bring this to the table and ladle on the savory sauce, all eyes will be focused on how juicy it is. As a matter of fact, I can't think of a better Christmas present for your taste buds than this. To get the recipe for our slow roasted beef tenderloin, along with the mushroom sauce, all you have to do is visit our website. I'm Howard in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fancy holiday way for you to say, "Ooh, it's so good."